Today we will solve the 88th Leetcode problem that is called merge sorted array. Let's read the description. You are given two integer arrays nums1 and nums2 sorted in non-decreasing order, and two integers m and n representing the number of elements in nums1 and nums2 respectively. Merge nums1 and nums2 into a single array sorted in non-decreasing order. The final sorted array should not be returned by the function, but instead be stored inside the array nums1. To accommodate this, nums1 has a length of m plus n, where the first m elements denote the elements that should be merged, and the last n elements are set to 0 and should be ignored. nums2 has a length of n. Example. So we have like first array 1, 2, 3 and zeros. M equals to 3, so here only 3 elements are important, and nums2 is 2, 5, 6, and n equals to 3. So 3 elements are important. So output is like the first element should be like the biggest element is 6, then 5, then 3, then 2 times 2, and 1. The arrays we are merging are 1, 2, 3 and 2, 5, 6. The result of the merge is with the underlined elements coming from nums1. And for example, the example 2, nums1 is just 1, m equals to 1, and nums2 is empty, and n equals to 0. The arrays we are merging are 1 and empty, and the result should be just an array of number 1. And in the third example, nums is 0 and m is 0, so we don't take anything from this. And nums2 is 1 and n equals to 1, so the result should be just 1. The arrays are merging are like empty array and array of number 1. And the result is merge of number 1. So let's discuss how we should solve this solution. Let's just I will copy these arrays and equal to 3, and here here was nums1 equals to this array. Well, how can we do here? So first of all, we can get the numbers. So we can here we can go through like both arrays. So we can go from the last elements, from the last element that is important here and the last element that is important here, and we should have two pointers. So this would be like pointer 1 in this array and pointer 2 in this array. So we should have two pointers, int p1 and let's just we will discuss their values. So the values of p1, the value of p1 should be just this m minus 1. M minus 1 is like the index, the last index of a number of a member that has number that is important, because these numbers are not important. And for the second array, it is like the pointer is the same, so n minus 1. And when we are comparing these two arrays, like this array and this array, and compare what number we should add, these numbers are go to this array starting from this place. So we should have like pointer int, pointer integer pointer p that equals to m plus n minus 1. M plus n minus 1, it is just a size of this array. And what should we do? So how we can? It will be just a loop, where we can compare like p1 should be more. It can be greater or equal to 0, or we can just write it is greater than minus 1. And at the same time, p2 is greater than minus 1. In this case, we can compare. So here inside this we can compare. So if nums1 p1 is greater than nums2 p2, then nums1 p, so this place. So starting from this, we are going here and assign this value. Or if it is vice versa, so in else case, we should do vice versa. And of course, here we should, if we took the number from p1, we should decrease p1. And here we just do vice versa. What am I mean? So vice versa means that nums1 p equals to nums2 p2. So we will take from so if nums2 is greater or equals, we will take from here the number. And here p, we decrease p, and in both cases we decrease p, just p. Here we decrease p2. Well, and here very important that it can happen if when m is already this array is already taken and nothing is here, but here we still have something. So we could repeat this array again. But just for p2. So what we can do here, just if p2 still exists, so we could have like just take this. And decrease p2 and decrease p. So it can happen that this array is already taken and this one still exists, and we still should take numbers from this array. Let's check. So probably it should work. Let's check. Yes, 3 cases are accepted. Let's submit. Yes, we can see that the solution beats 100 submissions. That's all. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video. Bye.